Welcome to Periodic Table with Jumpy Juveria.
Alright, Jumpy, is it periodic table or periodic castle?
It's a castle.
Alright, in a castle, we are going in a van today. And we're going to do 2 or 3 elements in a row right now because they're smaller ones. The first one is V for victory. Vanadium. You know, sometimes you work so hard and you work the whole day. But you can take 1 hour off and that is a victory hour. How many hours in a day?
24.
Okay, so Vanadium is 23. Okay, the way they help us remember is think of a school van which works all round the clock except one time. So 23 is the atomic number of Vanadium. But more importantly, Vanadium, the word Vanadium actually is the only or one of the very word is Vandanis. Vandanis is the name of a Scandinavian goddess of beauty. Because it is beautiful element. Look at the gemstone formation of the crystals.
Scandinavia.
That I think it's Sweden. Yes. So, you know, look at the gemstones of Vanadium. So beautiful. It is one of the most beautiful element found. And you know what? It is the strongest. It can be hammered and hammered without breaking. You can just hammer Vanadium and it will not break. Isn't it amazing? That is why Vanadium is specially used to make iron steel rods or swords, and it was also used to make something called Damascus steel. Damascus is a city in Syria, and they used to be the best iron workers in the world. They are called blacksmith. So they used to make swords of Vanadium. You know, in this whole series of Game of Thrones, they have a element called Valerium. Yeah, it's iron Valerian steel sword. It can only Valerian steel can cut a night walker, which is like a zombie. So remember, Vanadium is an element which is used for cutting and making tough elements and tools like spanners and knives. Right. So this is the most important thing. There is a mushroom which contains high levels of Vanadium. And do you think this mushroom will be nice and juicy or poisonous?
Poisonous.
It must be poisonous, and it's a red color mushroom. And remember, a lot of fairy tales have this mushroom, you eat it or bite it and you die.
Yeah.
So Vanadium is dangerous. Quickly, Vanadium has a symbol of V, and Jumpy's favorite, no? Every photo she'll do like this V sign. And what's the atomic number of Vanadium? 23. Because you work 23, our next element is Chromium.
24.
Oh, wonderful. You know, Chromium, can you think of a sign like Google Chrome is the same similar line? Yes. Google Chrome internet is always on, any time of the day. It's 24 hours on. So remember, 24 is the atomic number of Chromium. Interesting? Okay. So Chromium essentially is from a Greek word means chroma. Chroma means color. Right? And you see monochrome, dichrome, even TV test tubes had chroma.
Chromium was made first.
Yeah? Chromium basically is beautiful colored gemstone. So ruby is made with chromium, emerald is made with chromium, all those nice gemstones people use in rings or necklace, right? Or bracelets. Yeah. So the red color of the ruby is because of the chromium oxide in the crystal. That is why the word chrome is there. Actually, there is an artificial form of chromium called chrome yellow, which is used in paints. You color them paint. But scientists, you know, they got it banned. Why? Same reason why the mushroom was not eaten. It is? Yeah, what is it? It is poisonous, right? So we have to be very, very careful with these special elements.
And radium also, there is a sign for it.
Yeah, what is the sign? The radioactive.
Yeah, it's like a fan.
It's like a fan. Okay. So these are 2 very important elements, Vanadium and Chromium. Chromium, the atomic number is 24. Atomic symbol is Cro. Cr. Alright. You know, Chromium is used in motorbike plates.
Why it is CH chromium?
Yeah, it could be CH also, right? But CH will be very similar to chlorine, Cl. So they use Chromium, no? Cr is easy to pronounce. These atomic names are usually based on symbols or pronunciation.
Why its spelling is CR, it should be not CH.
Okay, the way you write a word, no, K sound. In phonics, in pre-primary, you use K sound, CH. Spell check.
CHECK.
It could be CECK, check. Chrome.
CHRO.
Yeah, CHROME, chrome. So chromium is CHRO. Checkers. Czech Republic with Softy is a CZ. All right.
Why?
Because that's a proper noun and they write it that way. So chromium, I said, is one of the elements which does not corrode in air. Okay, so when a steel or an iron, when you put it in oxygen, it corrodes. It is rusted.
Why?
But yeah.
Sodium has Na.
Oh, that we discussed last time. It was a Greek name of sodium, isn't it? So chromium does not corrode in air. That is why it is used in a lot of car plating. So when you do it, there is no rusting in it, and it lasts longer. Chromium is also used in kitchenware. Stainless steel kitchenware. So use it to peel onion or vegetables. So these are many uses of chromium. It's a nice shiny element if you use it, but the most important one is the ruby gem that you get it. Fine enough. So these are two elements that we learned today: Vanadium and
Chromium.
wonderful. Bye bye.
Bye bye.